Stop filming. I actually live here, so.
What's this beach called?
Womberall.
Womberall Beach. My shorts are wet. Those waves are intense. Crazy rough. So ripping. Yeah. My shorts are gonna like slip right off. Yeah. Whoa!
It's more comfortable.
Whoa, hey Dave. Whoa, that feels sick.
Already.
Whoa, dude! Oh, my world is spinning. Oh man. Make it stop. Make it stop. Make it stop. I'm on the ball. Weehaw! How's it going, Mr. Pigeon? How's your day? Amazing. I'm walking on water. Whoa! Oh, my world is spinning.